everyone, and welcome back to the March editions of the 2025 Christmas All Year. So today I am playing with Scrap Diva Designs embellishment box, and I'm playing with the Pink Fresh Studio. This is their um let's see, what is this called? Brush Sentiments Holiday Hot Foil, along with their coordinating dies. And I'm sorry if I sound a little froggy. I've been sick, so I'm trying to get over it still. Okay, so this is the embellishment box that I made. I kept the front pretty simple. And then on the back, on the side, I have the Merry Christmas. And I use the um the Winter Wonderland collection from Doodlebug Designs. And I wanted to use this because as a part of my goals that I have not been keeping up with, by the way, I wanted to use up some of my old supplies. So that's why I pulled out this collection. It's one of my cutest Doodlebug collections that I do have. And what I love the most about this is what I did with it is, instead of making it into an embellishment box, I made it into a little treat holder. Now I don't know what I'm going to do over here and over here yet, but I was just playing along with it. But like I said, I've been sick, so I really haven't had too much time to play. But this, I thought that was just such a cute idea. So you know how people have like the Hallmark movie kit. So this is what I think of it as, but just using treats. And so because I did something similar like this for my coworkers at work for Christmas. So in here in the box, I was able to get a Milano cookie, a hot chocolate, a fun size. Now these are Valentine's fun size M&Ms. I got a package of the Chessman cookies. And then I got a little Snickers and a little Kit Kat. So just something that you can watch a movie with. And that is my project. This is actually a quick one this time because I'm not processing anything. I just created while I wasn't feeling well and stuff. So this is just more so of a share. But yeah, I really liked how it came out, and I love that you could get so many goodies in here. Like, look at that. That's a lot of goodies. So I really like this. Alrighty, guys. So this is it. I hope you have fun. I hope you get some inspiration for Christmas and what kind of things you can do for office treats. All right. Bye bye.